What's this? Blacksmiths Way. Read it. Here we go. I leave you in your very own grab shack to build your very own weapon shop. You must use the mods you have to build it. I leave you with my old shitty axe. That sounds lovely. To start, you must go now and be on your blacksmith's way. Okay, where's the shitty axe? Oh my god, a bedside cabinet. So cool. Shitty axe. Well, I guess this is my shitty axe. Does look pretty shit, doesn't it? Guess I could use this stuff here. Yeah. Oh, for domination and materials are new. Tinker's construct. That sounds complicated. I'm not gonna lie, and I need this bed. This is taking ages. Looks cool though. Very cool bed. Take that. Whoa. Let's take this. Right, so I guess I'm just gonna try. What's that? Carpenter's thing. Oh, I can't remember that. Takes ages. Whoa. Lag. I'm using Slack's texture pack, by the way. I love this texture pack. I'm falling in love. Whoa! That tree is massive. Whoa, this thing mines so fast. Well, not mine. Cuts down. Whoa. This is crazy. I'm going speed axe. That's so big. Oh, but it looks messy if I leave it, but I can't be bothered to get it. I'm just gonna remove this. Getting quite a lot of stuff, isn't it? Why is Carpenter's... I love this mod. Right. Play attack B team. I might change my texture pack because vanilla, I don't like it to be honest, but it's better than having lag. Yeah, that's my. And that's taking ever so mine. That's even worse. Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh my god, what's that? That's not even broken. My shitty. Well, guess it was a shitty axe. Well, Ryder, that's really loud. Ow, sorry my ears. I'm gonna turn that down. Right after I look what's in here. Oh jeez, witch. She's a nice witch. I'm sorry I'm gonna have to do this, but ow, fucking witch. Fuck you. Whoa. What? Just shit. I'm an ugly. How? Why? How? Why? I don't want to be the. What the hell was that in my inventory? I'm not even kidding. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's mod pack. Now I'm a witch with a witch's hand. Let's have a look at myself. Oh. Oh shit! That looks fucking amazing. I put my witchy shit on you. I need to know. Alright. First things first. Oh! Look at my map, I can see a village. Let's go. See? I'm already finding villages. I think I'm gonna leave my bed there because that was taking forever to mine. Wait! Oh, I'm gonna do a lot of work off camera just to build a house. For now, I'm just like exploring. Whoa. Hello? Mr. Good job. An emerald for a pig. Thank you for pig legs. So, that's really annoying. What do you do? Oh my god. Whoa! What just happened there? Am I in cheat mode? I do not want to be in cheat mode. Recipe mode. That was weird. That's very weird. Turn this down. That was so weird. Oh. And if I don't have a normal text pack, you might not understand what everything is. Even though look over it says what it is. But, you know. Those things are annoying. So yeah, I'm not gonna do quite a lot of work with camera building a house. I will do it all legit though. All legit. Oh, what's that? That sounded cool. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna find a place to... I have no hand. I think I'm gonna start near this village. It's quite a nice village. This is why next episode I'll be having normal texture. What does this say? Apothecary. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Just to see it. I'm gonna get that chest no matter what. This village is so annoying. Oh, Mutandis, that's a bone mill. Mutandis. Please comment what stuff is, because I have no idea. Oh, that's so annoying. My camera. Flower pot. Oh, might give me cactus. Cactus green. That seems important. Whoa! Hawthorn sapling. I'll take that. I'm doing this again, it's so cool. Oh my god. Whoa. Just no grass, no. Flower, no. Lintweed. But yeah, like Doug said, I think I'm going down the path. Because in this mod pack, you've got to pick something to do. Because there's so many mods, you can't just do them all. So yeah, I'm going to do blacksmith, I guess. Let's just have a look through the list for anything blacksmithy. Don't know if that's a word. I don't think that's a word. Ender dragon. Yes. Dragon mount. Oh my god. Can we ride dragons? I would love to ride dragons. Gold armor! Yes! Definitely making that. Can't see anything. Fertilizer. That sounds cool. And Fisher. So fishing. No fish. Oh, cartridge box. Weapon box. Now that's. Well, no, didn't mean to do that. Get rid of them. See how to make these. Cactus green. I knew it. I knew we had to use cactus green. I knew it. So yeah. Whatever mod that is, I forgot. I can't see any more. There's 100 pages, so. Oh, whatever this is, Tinker's Quest. I can't see any cool weapons. This is annoying me. Oh, here we go. Bloodwood sword. That sounds amazing. A buggy. Yes, please. Oh, I'm giving myself stuff. Didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Oh, sick glue guns. Darts. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. Umbrellas. Wire staff. There's the micro blocks. How about if I take these on here? Weapon. Did he have guns? Maybe guns. Oh, I see that. Dragonov. Flans mod, type that in now. Does it come up? Flans, maybe? Oh my god, I've got guns. M9. I'm getting it. AK-47. Definitely an RPG. Some cool arm. Oh my god. C4s. Might get some of my mates to come in. Muskie and Nemus. I'll leave their channels in the description. Oh, it's gonna be super cool. I'm getting away from this page. They're annoying me. The sounds they make. Oh, it's becoming night. Better not be on peaceful. Good. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a pussy. Be on peaceful. I would go use my other bed, but I don't know how to mine it because it would take ages. Oh, this looks cool. This looks blacksmithy. Blacksmithy. That's what I'm going to change my name to. Just for the night, just so I don't get killed. I'm going to live here. Back with the default texture pack because that was getting laggy. Poles of eye. Flippers, they're so natural. I'm putting them on now. Oh yeah, I'm still a witch. I don't want to be a witch. What mod is this where I become witches? Press random buttons. Whoa! Oh yeah, I got a skin. The hammer, I think. Oh, I look total badass. Here in my forge. Then we take a selfie. Hey. Hey. Alright, let's get back to hard work. By hard work, I mean, where's my flippers? Oh, I got my flippers on. Total badass slash swag. Do you know what I'm gonna do? In memory of whoever gave me this weird book, which I had to read. Oh, we got it out. And I'm going to plant my lintwood. I'm going to plant my hawthorn sapling. Sacred hawthorn. I'm just gonna wait for them to go. I need a door. Carpenter's blocks. Make me a door. Okay. Crafting table. Luckily I had this crap shack as the guy who, whoa, mine else has gone mad. Yeah, crap shack that this guy left me. That's also something I need. Crafting table. Oh, it's in the shape of redwood. That's amazing. Okay, how much do you need to make a door? 6? Carpenter's door. I never remember which is the right way. I like it personally. This way. Spruce wood. I need a bit of planks. Okay, I need to sleep. And these villagers are so annoying. Okay. So it's me. Check for monsters. Let's go. No one notice that I'm stealing wool. Whistle, because I cannot whistle. I might put some whistle effect. I'm not sure. Oh, potatoes. Potatoes. Lovely potatoes. I'm just going to hit them twice because I don't care about farms and villages. Oh, even when they're not good. I can warm them up. So how do you make potatoes? You plant a potato. That's some good singing. Okay. Ah! Run! Into my house. Yes, get distracted, Mr. Zombie King. What? No, no. Oh, so cool. Probably what the villagers are like that. Just put my random crap in here. That is so weird, I can't believe it. Nice. Oh, plantation, British crusher. What is that used for? So yeah, my end goal is to become a blacksmith man. A blacksmith. A smithing to the blocks. No, that doesn't sound good. Smithing to the block. Just making a hole so I can get my furnaces. And make it easier with my trouble. it's becoming day. I'm stuck in my little house. This is even carpeted in lash. I think I'm gonna make an item frame just to hang my shitty axe until I find out how to repair it. Because I should be able to repair it. Yeah. Potatoes. Stick them in the corners. Whoa. What did I just... No, I had 17, didn't I? I'm not sure. Put 32 in there. I'm 60 now. I'm scared. I'm gonna make some charcoal. Charcoal. Oh, I need one more wall to sleep. Sleep in a lovely bed. Half it. Half it again. Let me. Hello? Who's in? I'm just making it a little bit so it doesn't look as weird. Yeah, it's gonna be good. I don't know how I'm gonna get on because I'm not the best at Minecraft, which you should know if you watch my other videos. I am the worst. I am the worst. Yeah, there's no better way to put that. I'm the worst. Oh, baked potatoes. I'm gonna bake them again. I don't think that works. Can you make like different types of potatoes? Or just baked potatoes? Because in IRL, I do not like baked potatoes. But some people like baked potatoes. I'm not the one for that. If that makes sense, which I don't think it does. But Jesus. Oh, I need to fix that one, half it. I don't care about that. Here we go. Okay. Let's try baked potatoes. Bakier. Let's make bakier potatoes. No, you can't make bakier potatoes. Let's see. What can you... No, you literally can't do anything with them. You can do with potatoes. You can into potato bag or poisonous potato, which you would always veggie salad. Tuberous flux capacitator. Whatever it is. Can of food, dehydrated potato. What else it then? Smelled potatoes. Or make stew in a work top. Whatever that is. Or with rice. Broth. Whoa. I'm making a worktop. I want chips. Worktop. Oh, chips. Oh, yeah. I guess it's that. Cobblestone, I'm guessing that is. Because it looks knife. I need one iron. I'm going to do what my favourite thing is to do. I'm going to go mining! Yay! No, I'll do that off camera because no one likes to watch mining. Yeah. I need to make a smeltery anyway. But that has not been a progress at all. I've got a hawthorn. I think that's progress. And there's a zombie in here which I'm gonna kill, which is progress. Let's see what's happening here. And Mr. Zumble. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your cooperation in this concept. Just punch him until he dies. Punch him till it hurts. And no. Alright, I'm gonna search this up. Oh, I'm burning. Ah, no. That's not good out there. I'm gonna drown. How do I need to search it up without. Oh, there we go. Just go search it up. What mod it would be called? Attack of the B team. Attack of the B team. Morphing. Oh, morph key. Guessing that's it. Yeah. Oh, I see. Gotta press square bracket. Ah, there we go. Square bracket, and then roll the mouse thingy. How am I gonna get out of this? No, it's not what I want to do. Yes, there we go. I need some bone meal just to break that. Okay. I'm gonna get my baked potatoes. 16 potatoes. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to make a worktop. But as that was an accident. As I eat my potatoes, I think that might be it for my first video. I'm not sure. Oh, I still got my flippers on. Not match my skin. Not at all. Yeah, but as my potatoes and my witch's hand, I say goodbye.